Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Ralph Marston. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, a new vocabulary. The vocabulary we are going to discuss is cancel culture. Cancel culture. What do you mean by cancel culture? And how can you pronounce this word? The pronunciation for this word is cancel culture. Cancel culture. Cancel culture. Cancel culture is a noun because it's a naming word. All the naming words are called nouns. Now, we are going to discuss the meaning of the word cancel culture. Cancel culture refers to the popular practice of withdrawing support for public figures and companies after they have done or said something considered objectionable or offensive. If you are withdrawing your support for public figures or companies after they have done offense, after they have done wrong, is called cancel culture. The practice or tendency of engaging in mass cancelling as a way of expressing disapproval and exerting social pressure. If you are withdrawing your support to express your disapproval for a political party or the company's plans, is called cancel culture. This practice of cancelling or mass shaming often occurs on social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. So far, we have discussed the meaning of the word cancel culture. Now, we are going to use the word in sentence. Look at this sentence. The power of social media's cancel culture can end a career within minutes. The power of social media's withdrawing support can end a career within a minute, can spoil the career of the company or career of the public figures within a minute. Cancel culture punishes people who break the rules by saying the wrong thing. Mass withdrawal of support punishes people who break the rules by saying the wrong thing. Is called cancel culture. So, mass withdrawal of support to express your disapproval is called cancel culture. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the word cancel culture. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.